Back on campus, it's featured in many commercials, photos, and other promotional elements. But for months, it's been out of commission. We're talking about the fountain on Troy's main quad. Reporter Samuel Weatherford has what happened to the fountain and how long it will be until it's restored.
Troy University often boasts that it is Alabama's most beautiful campus. One of the university's well-known icons is its water fountain that sits in the middle of the campus main quad.
We do have a really nice campus. It'd be nicer with the fountain working.
But for the past several months, Troy's water fountain has been turned off. Many students tell TrojanVision the fountain is a source of pride and tradition.
The water fountain is crucial. As one of our senior traditions at Troy University, our seniors, after they graduate, they jump in the water fountain. That's kind of like a celebration of success. So I feel like it's crucial. Without the water fountain, we can't continue our tradition.
All the people who are graduating, they probably want to take photos in front of there, especially like if it's working. Otherwise, they got to go find somewhere else around campus.
TrojanVision reached out to the Troy physical plant to find out why the fountain has been inactive.
Last summer we had some really heavy rains, really in a short period of time. There's a large pit where all the mechanical stuff is, and it flooded. So it pretty much ruined everything that was in the pit, washed out under the pit, broke some piping.
Berkey says the university is actively working to get the parts needed to fix the fountain.
We got a contractor under contract to come out and repair it. Parts have been ordered. We're waiting on all the material to show up, which is expected in the next 2 to 3 weeks.
When asked about the project's expected completion date, Berkey says they hope to have the fountain fixed around June for seniors to get their senior photos. Samuel Weatherford, Troy, TrojanVision News.
A quick piece of Troy trivia for you. The Trojan that is featured in the fountain is named Hector.